Hello everyone, welcome to Practically. Today we are going to study the fundamental unit of life which we all are made up of, that is the cell. Let's begin by studying the different parts of animal cell. So as we can see on the screen, a beautiful 3D model of animal cell. Let's begin with the outermost structure, that is the cell membrane. The cell membrane surrounds the animal cell from all the sides and is selectively permeable to certain substances which allows their entry and exit, and it also holds all the organelles together to give a particular shape to the cell. Within the cell membrane is a transparent jelly-like substance called the cytoplasm, which holds all the organelles and also helps in transport of various substances throughout the cell. The most important part of the cell is the nucleus. It contains the nucleic acids DNA and RNA. DNA is a genetic material which controls various functions of the cell, and the nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear membrane, which is a very peculiar feature of the eukaryotic cell. And as you can see, it also has some pores which are called as nuclear pores, which help in transport of substances within and out of the nucleus. Then, surrounding the nucleus is a membrane tube and sheet-like structure called the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the difference is because of the presence of ribosomes on it. And both of them play important role in the synthesis of lipids and proteins. Then there is another structure which has parallel sheets arranged, which is called as the Golgi Apparatus. And the Golgi Apparatus plays a very important role in packaging and transport of substances throughout the cell. Then we have the powerhouse of the cell, that is the mitochondria. We all know how mitochondria participates in the cellular respiration and produces ATP, which is the currency of energy. Then we can see some tiny structures spread throughout the cell. These are the ribosomes. And ribosomes can either be suspended in the cells or they can be present on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And ribosomes play a very important role in protein synthesis. And then we have another tiny sac-like structure which contains digestive enzyme, that is the lysosome. The lysosome is like the waste dumping region of the cell, and it is also known as suicide bags, since when the cell gets old and has to be digested, the lysosome bursts open and then digest all the organelles within the cell. Hence, they are also called as the suicide bags. So these were the different parts of animal cell. Now let's move on to the plant cell. So as we can see, plant cell has various structures and organelles which are similar to that of animals. But we'll begin with those structures which are specific to those that of plant cell. Beginning with the outermost structure, that is the cell wall. So the cell wall is a structure in plants which surrounds the cell membrane, and it provides rigidity to the plant cell. It is mainly made out of cellulose. Another unique organelle which are present only in plant cell is the chloroplast. As you can see, this green color organelle is the site of photosynthesis where the food production in plant happens. And the green color is imparted due to the presence of the green color pigment called the chlorophyll. Another unique structure which is found only in plant cell is the vacuole, which occupies the major volume of the plant cell. The vacuole stores useful substances and also helps to maintain the water balance and the turgidity of the cell. The remaining parts like nucleus, the endoplasmic reticulum, cell membrane, ribosomes, lysozyme, Golgi apparatus, and mitochondria. The functions of these organelles are same to that of the animal cell. So these were the different parts of plant and animal cells. For more such amazing content, download the Practically app and register to start your free trial. Thank you.